Good morning, everyone. We'll start the session in another minute. People are still joining. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another session of Prepare with William O'Neill India. This is Rajashekar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst with William O'Neill India. The date is May 20, that is Friday. Let's start by discussing how the Nifty is placed at the current moment. As you can see here, after changing the market status to rally attempt, Nifty had a big gap down yesterday. That is not a good sign for the rally attempt. We would like to see the market to trend higher and from here and reclaim its key moving averages. But the index came down yesterday. It might be because of many reasons, like global cues were also very bad yesterday. However, it was an expiry session, so we could say it has a more options and futures play rather than equity play. We'll see for today's market action how the Nifty plays out. We'd like to see a follow through day from here before changing the market status to confirmed uptrend. A follow through day is when the Nifty advances 1.5% or more on higher volume, higher than previous session's volume. Once the market is in confirmed uptrend, we look for the stocks which are leading their sectors and which are reclaiming their key moving averages or giving breakouts. We add them to our model portfolio. So please be careful and be watchful for those stocks which are leading. This is the time to build your watch list. We'll also start building our watch list and add them to our mailers as well. Uh, Talking about the key news, US house sales for April was down 2.4% on quarter-on-quarter basis compared to March month. The reasons are the housing prices have been rising. Also, the interest rates in the US have been rising, and the Fed is indicating uh, another rate hikes in the coming sessions as well. So their interest rates will play a major role in house buying in the US. So that is the reason house sales have come down. And both the Chinese and Indian government are in talks with Russia to buy crude oil. China is looking to increase their reserves for strategy wise. On the other side, India government is looking to lower existing crude oil prices. They are trying to make a deal with Russian government. That would be a good sign for our finances. Goldman Sachs has lowered Chinese growth forecast to 4% because of rising COVID cases again in China. They have been imposing lockdowns in the specific towns where the infection is higher. So that is the reason Goldman Sachs has lowered their growth rate. And talking about yesterday's institutional activity, FIs have been continuing to sell Indian equities. They have sold nearly 5,000 worth of shares. On the other side, DAS tried to give support, but they were not able to give full support. They bought around 3,000 crores of equities. On the net basis, there is a selling of 1,600 crores. Airtel is planning to increase their prices, their plan prices, uh, trying to increase their ARPs to 200. So we might see Geo also following the same status. Talking about key results, Endurance and Container Gravita India's have reported some have reported good numbers, but Gravita, you can see here, EBITDA margins have contracted by 1300 bps. That is a not so good sign. On the Endurance Tech also EBITDA was down around 310 BPS to 12.4%. That is the reason PAT has also declined around 27%. So these two stocks can come under pressure today in the today's action. And talking about the major news item, major new key results today. Amar Raja Batteries, Cochin Shipyard, Heidelberg Cement, IDFC Bank, and JK Tire are the major companies which are reporting today. And what happened to the US market overnight was they closed mildly negative compared to the previous sessions close, where the Nasdaq Dow were down around 3 to 4%. Yesterday's they closed mildly lower, around 0.3 to 0.8% lower. And on the other side, flip side, Asian markets are trading higher. You can see here all the indices, major indices, Kospi, Nikkei, Shanghai, Hang Seng are trading nearly 1% or more than 1% higher. That is a good sign. Brent crude was trading around $111 per barrel, down from $113 per barrel, slightly down. USD INR continues to be at nearly all-time high zone, 77.45, 77.5. So this will make Indian rupee a little lesser value compared to USD. SGX is indicating a clear gap up opening for today's session, which is much needed for the Indian market. If the gap up sustains and the Nifty advances more from that level, around 60,000 level, we might see a follow today in today's session, and we might change the market status to confirmed uptrend. Talking about major indices placements, all the indices are in bad shape. You can see except for energy, which is under pressure because of its heavyweight reliance, which gave good support. It is in under pressure, and other indices and other indices are all in rally attempt, except the IT, which is in still correction zone. We'd like to see follow today in respect to indices for the upgrading of their market status. So you can see majorly they are trading below their key moving averages like 50 and 200 EMAs. Only energy is trading about above 200 EMA, 8% above, because of Reliance, which is giving good support for the index. Yeah, that is for the today's session. We are expecting a positive opening for the Nifty. Thanks for joining our pre-bill with William O'Neill India. We like to see you. We hope to see you again at on Monday pre-bill.